Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar, not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand Style. So Style Perfume is another subsidiary or branch of Sterling Perfume, which own Armaf. It's a massive company. They own so many brands, but Armaf is one of them, and this Style Perfumes is another one. And this one in particular called Crest Black Eau de Toilette 100 ml. And in United Kingdom you can find it under £20. This one I have no idea what it is, because I unboxed another one from this series called Crest Advent, and that was Creed Aventus inspired fragrances. So this one is called Crest Black. So let's see. But before I do the unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. Your finger can do wonders. It's just a small movement of your finger. It doesn't cost you anything, it doesn't do anything to you, but for me it makes a big difference. It keeps this channel going forward, it keeps it afloat, and it keeps me in this endeavor, in this hobby for much longer, to bring you things like this in future to your attention that nobody else talks about. Thank you very much for your support, and let's go. So simple box, but it does the job perfectly, which is protecting the bottle. Sorry about the noise. So this subsidiary of Sterling Perfume is on the cheaper side of things. So as you can tell, it's very simple minimalistic presentation, but this is what I like. Give me a simple presentation but good juice instead of that. But so far so good, you know. Again, minimalistic, very nice presentation, not bad at all for the money. It's very good. So it's quite a heavy bottle. The cap is quite weight to it, but it's plastic, and it's very modern atomizer. And here we go. Very good atomizer. It gives out good amount of juice. So how is Crest from Sterling Perfume, and this is Style Perfumes, and this is Crest Black Eau de Toilette 100 ml in United Kingdom under £20. And here we go. First impression. Hi. So this is inspired by Creed Green Irish Tweed, but what a smell. Yeah, very close, 90% close to it. It's almost immediately took me there. So if you like Green Irish Tweed but you don't want to pay the price tag, obviously Green Irish Tweed is for 100 ml is about £250, and this is under £20, so you do the math. But very good. It didn't open harsh or synthetic. Obviously in the beginning, first few seconds it had a little bit of alcoholic, which is understandable for this price point, but now it's settled and it's very nice. Big on the citrus, very woody, a little bit of camphorous feel to it. What you call it, a little bit of wateriness. Definitely green and grassy, leafy, but what a smell. Yeah, you know, Green Irish Tweed is one of my favorite DNAs out there in terms of inspired fragrances, and this doesn't disappoint. It's very close to it. Again, about 90% close to it. The only thing, and it's good quality for the price. It's good quality, but we have to wait and see the performance. If the performance is anything good, then we have a big banger on our hand, because the smell is very well done. It's very good perfumery. The quality is good, the smell is good. There's no harshness, there's no chemical, there's no, obviously for this price point there are some synthetics in here, but they blended it well and it masked that synthetics very well. At the moment it is filling the room, so let's see how is the performance. Yeah, very close. Is 90% plus close to green Irish Tweed. So if you like that kind of fragrances, you might check this one out. But in the next video, I'll let you know the performance, the longevity and development, things like that. And as I said, if it's a good performer, then we have a banger on our hand. Okay guys, if you know it, if you have it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to make videos like this in future. Your help will take this channel a long way, and I appreciate that very much. If you want to buy one of my own fragrances, they are out of this world. They are super artistic, ultra beast mode, amazing value for money, 100% natural, very intriguing, very mysterious, but you need to live in our kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave them in the link as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye, bye, bye.